Hello. Hello, my name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. Markets are not open yet. They won't open until 7 o'clock or something. Another couple of hours anyway. And we're here to look at what happened last week, potentials for this week. We'll see how things are going. All right, first let's share here. And also too, we trade what's called a relaxed trading method. It's nothing, we're not scalpers. It's sort of a more longer term type trading method. Anyway, so welcome to this FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group have to be classed as educational only, and that's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a forced disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders. And this is where I am at the moment. I'm in 12 trades, got 4 orders. There's a couple of negative trades, and there's a whole lot that are, this one's good. CHF JPY, 452 pips, 162 down there, CHF. A lot of CHF ones in really good um, positive country. The Euro JPY is also up 100. The 90 there, 82, 91. Some JPYs. Good. All right, so that's where that is at this point in time. Just stop sharing that. We'll go across onto charts. Let's go down through pairs and stuff. So this one's not going too great for me. I was in positive. I really, in retrospect, I've gone like, or what I should have done is had a move my stop to entry. Anyway, it's now popped up here. Now I don't, well, depends. It looks like it might come up to this area here. It may stop me out. We'll see. Anyway, still on the bus at the moment. I think I don't know. We'll see. See what it does. Might then come into sell coming this coming week. What we got in there? Unemployment rate was lower. That's good for Canada. Consumer confidence, don't worry. And then inflation rate for Canada is coming up. Okay. So AED CHF pushed up and back down again on the last day of trading there, which is my Friday into Saturday. Came up to the trend bar in here and dropped off. You can't see that necessarily here, but I'm looking at that potentially to drop off further. We'll see. All right, AED JPY into a buy. That's nice. It's up there, so it's about 5%. The deal got chucked out of. I was in the sell and it bought up. At some point, we'll get the sell back out. Okay, AED and Singapore, looking for the sell out on that as well. But that now has broken this trend line and pushed up. So we'll yet to see what happens there. AED USD. Same, it pushed up. Was waiting for that to kick in, but it didn't. Yeah, it's 82 pips or so. Some of these ones that I've got in the in my orders, I'll probably have to kill them off anyway and then reevaluate. Okay, so that's all the AEDs. CAD CHF, I'm in that for the sell, and I'm positive on that at the moment. It did come back, and but I'm looking at that to sell out further. Let's see where there. Hopefully break there and break past. Right, CAD J. I'm in that as a positive. Where is it at the moment? 3.5%. That's good. CHF JPY, that also two positive. It's up here. So at the moment, it's probably about 7%. Because it's a really tight, well, it's 27 pip stop loss on it. All right, your AUD I got knocked out of. I was going that for a buy, but it sold out. Clearly strength. And Euro CAD, I'm in the buy, but I'm not much in the buy on that one. It's just going sideways at the minute. We'll see, it might come back. Anyway, I'm not too fussed with that one. Euro CHF, it's a bit of a sideways. I mean, I know it's gone sold. It's sold out. So really, I'm looking for this to when it'll turn to come back. Euro GBP, I'm in the buy, and that's okay. Where is it at the moment? 2%, somewhere there. Hopefully, 2 and a bit. Thanks to some of the Tom's tighter stop losses. Anyway, Euro JPY. Oh, that's good. Some good percentages on these, like that's 4% on that. Bring that for the buy. We'll see. Euro NZD. That's pushed back up again. I've just got to get myself sort of where I'm at with it to push further up. Anyway, Euro Singapore. I think, yeah, I've got a Euro Singapore. Yeah, no, it's 100 pips away. I've got a buy stop on that for when it shoots up. We'll see. And it's Darren. How are you? Euro USD. Similar. I've got a Euro USD to buy.
Right.
How are you?
All right. Bit of
Mr.
a heat
Earlier.
wave here in the UK.
Sorry, what was that?
Bit of a heat wave in the
Oh,
UK.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, what is it? 3 degrees this morning.
30, 30, 31.
Oh,
UK, that's pretty hot.
yeah, well, people will be roasting, won't they? I mean, the vitamin D will be going off the scale.
Yeah,
Yeah, well, dear me, that's no good. 30. Gosh, that's just a balmy day here.
yeah, that's right.
Anyway, no, well, 3 degrees is not it's not that cozy here. Well, I've got the fire going, so we're 20 inside, 22 or whatever, but it's 3 degrees outside. Anyway, just going through P. How's that? How are those EAs on the Euro USD?
Um, yeah,
They're all shut down. Or, the market's closed at the moment. So
yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens on
yeah, market open.
yeah.
Well, there's not too many crazy people saying too many crazy things, right? But you never
Yeah,
know. You can have
yeah.
crazy stuff happen pretty quick. Anyway, that's Euro USD just pulled down that bit. It hasn't got any momentum to it, so it might just come back down to this trend and then push back off again. That's where I'm sort of thinking about it. Anyway, GA. Oh my gosh, look at that. I got into the buying and then it just like dropped off, killed me out pretty quick. So it looks like it's going down past that point, and look, there's a lot more to go.
Yeah.
A lot more. Whether it will, we'll see. I'm going to wait this week for the Tuesday. I'm going to see if it pulls back up before I do get into a sell on it. So some of the GBPs, they were right, but they're sort of losing a bit of momentum, which is okay if we're on a sell. But I thought it was going to
Yeah, that
anyway.
was a big drop off on Friday, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And GCAD as well. All the, not all, but yeah, GBPs. And then GBP CHF, I'm in that still. That, oh, that's good. Long
Wow.
way out with that one.
Christ.
4.5% on that one.
Yeah.
It looks like all of the British pounds are. Anyway, we'll see. Except I'm in a GJ buy.
Well, there was news broke that unexpectedly the economy shrank by like quarter of a
GEP.
percent or something. Yeah,
Yeah, zero point zero 0.01.
that's what it called.
0.1.
Yeah,
So negative instead of slightly positive. So they're a bit.
yeah,
Inflation's at 3.4. Unemployment rates, I reckon 4.6. Yeah. Okay. That's probably why. Anyway, and even GJ is not even pushing up because the British pound. I'm in that, but where's GJ? Oh no. Oh, I must have got. No, I got kicked out of that. Okay. Yeah. See, it went up and then back down to. Yeah, that happened the other day. That's okay. Not worried about it. GBP NZD, not doing that, but that's dropped off. GBP Singapore, that dropped off. GU, that dropped off. So all the GBPs are all sort of just whacking themselves down at the moment. So we'll see what might turn. If that's the pattern, then I'll look at getting in. Tom's probably already up, buddy, 10% on each one of them or
yeah.
something. NCAD, that's pushed up, back down. Uh, not in that. NZDCHF, I'm in that, but it did. Where am I going? Oh, hang on. No, I got chucked out of that. That's all right. Yeah, tight stop. So it just pushed up, knocked me out, and then come back down again. So I'll see whether I get back into that for the sell. I'll work it out. NZDJPY, that's nice. Pushed up there, up about 2%. That all the JPYs are good except for GJ. So NU, yeah, still not convinced on that. Singapore Japanese yen, thank you very much. It's up about 2%. Quite a few that are really, they're quite good. Now UCAD, it doesn't really want to do too much at the moment. It's just going sideways. Up, down, up, down, up, down, nothing. I'm looking for it to sell out, but we'll see. Do I have a? No, I don't have an order on it. So, oh no, I don't. So USD CHF, I'm still positive on that. I haven't got out. What I should do is move my stop to break even at least, so I'm not going to lose on it. But it's about not quite 2% on that one. But I'm looking at that to potentially drop off. UJ, I didn't get into it, but it has pushed up nicely. That's the only JPY I think I'm not in, actually. Oh, except for that GJ. Right, USD Singapore not moving very quickly. Up, down, seven. I'm looking for it to sell back out. I mean, it's sitting around that trend bar. But we'll see. I like it to have a good drop off. It might come up a bit further. We'll see. Gold is 3,357. Push back up a bit. And silver is has gone a little bit ballistic on the Friday. Oh, sorry, end of the week. Crazy stuff. Bitcoin's up 119. That also has got a bit of crazy weekend momentum. And oil is at 68. It pushed back up again at the end of the week. Copper's pulled back, is it? Hey, it pulled back a bit from its crazy push up. Not a lot though. Yeah. So oil is there at the moment. So we had this like low, low, low. It pushed up crazy because of the Middle East. It pulled back down again. Now it's slowly pushed itself up. Oh, they're the pairs. Did you want to look at anything else, Darren? No, he's busy. That's okay. Yeah. So yeah, there's only those two. I've got ACAD and USD Singapore. Okay. See how we go. Um, yeah, so it's really looking at some of these EAs now to see what happens. We'll see what when the market opens up. But those British pounds aren't traveling very well, and particularly on that news, it might continue continue to drop. But it could pull up like that Tuesday, Wednesday. We could see a bit of pull up before it drops even further. So I'll look at some of the opportunities this week. But anyway, okay. Is there? I don't know if Darren wants to. He's busy doing something. I'll have to go somewhere or whatever. That's okay. It doesn't take long to go through the pairs anyway. It's pretty easy sort of a process. See where you're at with it, and then I wouldn't get into any trades until probably an hour or so after the market opens or and it settles down a bit. Spreads then settle. But some of them I'm going to need to look at some break evens on them. So, but anyway, right. All right. Well, my journey today, this morning, I need to. We've done a bit of sheep rustling yesterday with moving sheep here, there, and everywhere, and I've got 8. I'm taking up to the abattoir this morning or today anyway. So I'm going to load them up into the stock trailer, and drive them up. They're 2 hours up to where the abattoir is. So that'll be the excitement for the day. All right. If there's nothing else, and Darren's a bit busy up there, we'll see. We might just move on. I'll see you all tomorrow. By tomorrow morning, we'll go from there. Okay then. Ciao.